Here is the after video of a home we did in Mount Croghan, South Carolina. We bought it for $26K, and then we'd sell it for $80 to $90K, and then the expense for DIY is around $5K or less. And if you're going to hire someone to do it for you, it's gonna be double or triple that. So just keep that in mind. This home took me about 2 to 3 months to finish remodeling. It would have taken me a lot less if the home wasn't too far away from me, and if there wasn't any issue at home that I have to run back and forth. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments below, and when I have time, I'll get back with you.